Perhaps for the first time in the history of humankind, we have an accepted roadmap that is the Sustainable Development Goals. A roadmap that has been accepted by all the governments of the world, civil society organizations, and the world at large. So we know what we have to do to improve the future of humankind. And it's very important that young people take their share in furthering these goals. The goals are 17 very precise goals, and there is a contribution that can be done by just about everybody, but it's important in particular that people under the age of 25, categorized by the United Nations as youth, be able to take their part. So you're offering them a chance to reflect on the importance of the Sustainable Development Goals and to try to see how they might solve the problems associated with their furtherance. So I think it's wonderful, and it's very creative also. I think it takes them out of the beaten tracks that governments and maybe organizations like ours usually use, and hopefully it will make a difference, because it's very important that we make a difference. The SDGs are about making a difference. I would really like to congratulate Makers Asylum, and in particular the holding and the organization of the STEAM Schools 2018, because it is an important contribution, and I hope that it will spawn many similar events around India, and maybe also beyond.